Well, the complexity of the topic of ADAS AD and the safety aspects, they can only be managed with the massive scalable simulation tools in order to minimize expensive, slow, and potentially dangerous on-road tests. There's no one best simulation environment. For example, for trajectory planning and control function testing, we are using ultra-fast models, 100 times faster than the real time. But for other stuff like perception testing, ray tracing, we use more detailed models on the very good hardware. In the early development phase, we need to get functional feedback as soon as possible. And in the validation phase, we need to maximize test coverage, operational design domain, and fulfill safety standards such as SOTIF, etc. No, we based our testing on the critical scenario catalog that we derived from the test data and optimized the test coverage for every use case. Many of those can be done using simulation only. The others must be combined with the test data in a continuous testing pipeline, and we repeat that for each new software version and for the whole scenario catalog. Firstly, we optimize simulation models. And secondly, we optimize the execution setup. And every hour invested in this phase pays back 100 times in saving execution time. And thirdly, by using a modular approach, we allow for reuse of existing models for the use cases, saving times and costs significantly. In the preparation phase, we perform horizontal scaling in order to assess, estimate, allocate, and initialize necessary resources. An example, if we need 10 seconds per scenario to simulate, we need around 48 core machines to run 1 million scenarios overnight. Not necessarily. The cost factors are models, hardware, and licenses. By performing this use case-specific system optimization upfront, combining cheaper on-premises resources with a bit more expensive cloud resources for the peak load, and using tools with the fair scalable pricing, we can cut the cost by factors of 10 and more. Well, in general, it's only about time, pressure, and the budget. Technically, there are some other things to consider, such as IT infrastructure, computing resources, data processing capabilities, company policies regarding partnering, data sharing, etc. Our methodology takes all those constraints into account before setting up an ideal development and testing environment for a set of specific use cases.